Story of Undertale. I fell from the light, talk or should I fight? Monster genocide, this my Undertale. I fell through a cave on Mount Divine. I faced an evil talking flower in a pot. Explains the plot. Wants me dead, wants me to rot. Toriel saves me, takes me to her home, and hooks me up with a brand new monster phone. Leaves me alone, but I escape and need some bones. Should I be a pacifist, or should I use my fists? I'm feeling evil, think I'll kill them all. I'm on the saddle and I got a taste. I want to wipe out the monster race. Whoa, I got a vision, some kind of result. I will slaughter through the tower. I fell from the light, talk or should I fight? Monster genocide, this my Undertale. I'll slide or undone, no ways to I choose. With all this XP, there's no way that I'll lose. Now watch me move, I won't stop, I'm feeling rude. Asgard is shaking, he hears my approach. I'll slaughter sands and squash his bro like a roach. Kara's my coach, all these monsters I will poach. Screw being a pacifist, I think I'll use my fists. I'm feeling evil, think I'll kill them all. I'm on the saddle and I've got a taste. I want to wipe out the monster race. Whoa, I've got no patience, I've got no resolve. I will slaughter, screw the tower. Pan, toy, knife, use a stick to take your life. Tough glove, ballet shoes, epic fight like front page news. King Asgard wants to collect human souls. 7 of them is his ultimate goal. Open the door to humanity's realm. Start